In 2025, the demand for video content continues to skyrocket. Today, we'll explore how you can tap into this lucrative market. Veed.io is an innovative online video editing tool packed with AI capabilities, making the editing process faster and more intuitive. Offering AI video editing services remotely means flexibility, scalability, and the ability to cater to an ever-growing market of content creators. Let's discuss the key steps to successfully set up your remote video editing business, from choosing your niche to establishing your online presence. Understanding who needs AI video editing services is crucial. Consider influencers, businesses, and even everyday content creators. Showcasing your editing skills through a strong portfolio can help attract potential clients and demonstrate your capabilities. To stand out in a crowded market, implement smart marketing strategies. Think social media promotion, networking, and referrals. Setting competitive rates and packages is essential. Research your competitors and align your offerings to maximize both value and appeal. Social media platforms are powerful tools for promoting your video editing services. Leverage them to connect with potential clients. As technology advances, staying informed about future trends in AI video editing can help you maintain a competitive edge.